Okay, guys, the last couple days have really sucked. So, Sunday, we went to take the car to test. I noticed something dripping. When I started looking at it, I noticed that the drain hose for the Pro Charger just busted off. I don't understand why. I usually don't tighten them much, but maybe it was defective. I don't know, vibration. Could have been almost anything. But that broke. So, now that's stuck in there. So I haven't even attempted, really, to get that out right now. So, last night I went to look at it, and then my wife's banging on the garage door saying her check engine's light's on, and there's smoke coming from her engine. So, when I came and looked at it, the valve cover's leaking. Now, on these Jeep Liberties, it's a pain in the ass. The driver's side, you actually got to drain the radiator to get it, all the stuff off to even get to the dome cover the dome cover that's way down in there. I mean, when I saw the how-to video on YouTube was like an hour and 10 minutes long, I knew it was going to be a bad job. Thankfully, it's the driver's side. There's not that much to do, but there's enough. Like unplugging the injectors. There's these things on studs. All this wiring's tight, so I don't know. Of course, everything's 10 millimeter, and who the hell knows where all the 10 millimeter sockets are at this point. But this is how the day's going. So, didn't get to test my Camaro. Ended up having to work on her car because she needs it to take her grandmother to the doctor tomorrow. So, I got out of work a little early today. And, just to try to get this done. Of course, the gasket was $77, but it is what it is. Then, the third gen Camaro, I still don't have the wheel tub kit. They told me they were going to get it shipped out late last week or early this week. Well, today's the last day, early this week, and I still don't have it. So I basically got this thing just sitting here since, I think, New Year's Day, right around there, and got nothing done. Floor pans are a pain in the ass to find, and they're only sold in half sections. There's no patch panels. It doesn't need a whole floor, but, it's just one more of the drama to happen. Just constantly stuff going wrong, and now it's starting to get nice out, and I got the Pro Charger off the motor. Still didn't get to test it after doing all the work over the last couple weeks of figuring out why I had no front end travel, and I get that figured out, and now the thing's a pig without this Pro Charger. It's funny how you get used to the horsepower. Sure, the car still goes pretty good, but doesn't feel it to me. Most of the time I'm scared of it. Well, check back shortly. I'm going to start doing this. And then to top it all off, it's a hell week at work. Got friggin' bosses coming, all that shit. So, normally off on Wednesday. Well, looks like I ain't going to have a day off this week. So, just keeps getting better and better. Well, I'll post some progress to this. And hopefully it goes easier than it looks like it's going to go. And it really looks like it's going to suck. Okay, guys, I will be back. Okay, so far I had to do the coils and the injectors. And that big fucking thing right over there is going to be a pain in my ass too. And of course, this hose is fucked up. So that's how we're doing it. Okay, here's where we are right now. Trying to get this thing out is a motherfucker. And whoever the hell designed this, I hope their fucking head falls off. I truly do. I mean, this is fucking crazy. They took an easy thing like changing valve cover gasket and made it into a fucking ordeal. Fucking unreal. Well, going to fight with this a little longer. Plus now my phone's ringing. It's probably freaking work. Okay, guys, I will be back. Okay. I got that fucker out. Fucking shaft mount rockers. You can't overhead cam. Some pretty cool shit. But I tell you what, I hate like hell to put this thing back. That's really gonna suck. Got no fucking room. All right, check back. Okay, here's where I stand right now. Cleaned out the valve cover. Now I just got to figure out the right way it goes on. Yes, I got aggravated. The moonshine came out. I still hope whoever designed this, I hope his head falls fucking off. But it is what it is, and I'm cleaning up the mess. So, I tell you, I'm speechless at this point. A valve cover is supposed to be so easy. I mean, right here. It's right there. I mean, this thing is actually worse of a job than on my Duramax. So, well, that's where we stand at this point. I don't know how much daylight I got left, but I'm going to keep picking away at it. Okay, now these $1 million a week fucking guys that designed this, I got to sit here and put all these fucking things and the fucking bolts. I'm sorry, I'm using my iPad for this because my phone pisses me off. But I fucking swear to God, I should get anal for this.
Oh, yeah, okay? Listen, I'm going to pay enough for this one.
This is
I ain't going that far.
Out of control. I should get it with sand on it for traction.
Shut up.
Oh, God. All right, guys.
I'm sorry my car's a piece of shit.
It ain't a piece of shit. Somebody made it more sophisticated than it needed to be. Okay? Fucking Chevys were fine all along. This is worse than my fucking Duramax. Okay, have a good night. I'll
be back.
I'll be back. Probably with no anal, but I'll be back. Okay, I got it in, I think. So, I'm going to try to bolt it down. I just pray to God I did this right because there's a big gap in all the instructions. And, tell you the truth, I left that gap in my video too. So, but still, I hope that guy's head falls off. I will be back. Okay, I got the driver's side done, which was the easier side. And it ran, and she gave me thumbs up. So, I think it's okay. But what a major fucking ordeal that it turned out to be. Hopefully the passenger side don't leak because I do not want to do that. Well, have a good night, everybody, and stay tuned for other fucked up shit.